Far too many people these days struggle with weak, unreliable plasma cutters without ever realizing how much time and money they lose on every single cut. A poor machine slows you down, overheats quickly, leaves rough edges, and forces you to spend extra minutes grinding and cleaning metal that should have been cut cleanly in the first place. Upgrading your plasma cutter doesn't just upgrade your workshop, it upgrades your entire workflow, bringing faster cuts, cleaner edges, smoother operation, and more dependable performance every single day. When you switch to a more capable machine, you notice immediately how much easier every small and large project becomes. That's exactly why today, we're bringing you the top 5 plasma cutters available on Amazon right now. Machines that offer real power, real efficiency, and real long-term value. And before we get into it, make sure to use the links below because they'll take you straight to the latest deals and discounts for every cutter we talk about. Let's get started. Music kicking off our list. The ARCCAPTAIN 50 amp plasma cutter delivers an impressive blend of power, precision, and truly beginner-friendly operation. This machine features a large LED display that gives you clear, real-time information, even in dim workshop lighting. With incredibly stable DC inverter technology and dual voltage support for both 110 and 220 volts, it's built to adapt instantly to whatever power source you have available. You get up to half-inch clean cuts with smooth, consistent edges that require almost no post-grinding. What really makes this unit stand out is the 2T/4T mode that lets you switch between short trigger bursts or long continuous cuts depending on your project. Add in automatic post-flow cooling, which protects your torch and helps your consumables last significantly longer, and you get a machine that feels more premium than its price suggests. For DIY users and first-time plasma cutter owners, our Captain delivers a shockingly high-value experience that punches far above its class. Moving on, the Lotos LTP 5800D takes things to another level with a 58 amp output and a non-touch pilot arc system that lets you start cuts without ever touching the metal surface. That's a major advantage when working with rusty steel, painted sheets, or expanded metal, all surfaces where cheaper cutters struggle to strike a stable arc. It achieves clean cuts up to 5/8 of an inch, with a severance capacity of 3/4 of an inch, making it a strong option for both hobbyists and professionals. The LED panel and front-mounted air regulator make the machine extremely easy to operate, even for users who prefer a simple, straightforward interface. Lotos claims up to 15% faster cutting speeds, and in real-world use, the improvement is obvious. If you want speed, stability, and smooth arc performance at a competitive mid-range price, this machine is a serious contender that holds up well under everyday use. Next up, the Best Arc 50 amp plasma cutter is designed specifically with beginners and DIY creators in mind. Featuring dual voltage support, half-inch clean cut capability, and a generous 3/4 inch maximum severance depth, this machine checks all the important boxes for anyone starting a workshop or upgrading from a basic unit. But what makes it stand out is the combination of a large LED display, a pilot arc feature for smooth starts, and a built-in air sensor that monitors pressure to ensure consistent, safe cutting. Many beginners struggle with poor air pressure management, but this machine removes that guesswork entirely. Add in post-flow cooling, flexible 2T/4T modes, and impressively stable arc performance, and you get a cutter that makes learning plasma cutting feel simple, even if it's your very first time holding a torch. Moving forward, the Lotos LT 5000D brings one of the most respected designs in the portable plasma cutting world, now upgraded for 2024. You get a strong 50 amp output, clean cuts up to 5/8 of an inch, and severance cuts up to 3/4. Lotos machines are known for long-term durability, and this one is no exception, offering dual voltage compatibility, a rugged metal build, and consistently stable performance whether you're in your garage, your workshop, or out on a job site. It's lightweight, reliable, and trusted by thousands of metalworkers who want a no-nonsense cutter that just works every time you plug it in. If you want a proven machine with a long track record of satisfied users, this model deserves serious attention. And finally, the most powerful unit on our list, the Best Arc 80 amp plasma cutter. This machine is built for those who want industrial-level performance at a price that still fits a home workshop budget. It delivers an incredible 7/8" clean cut and a maximum severance depth of 1.38 inches, making it capable of handling thick plates, heavy fabrication, and demanding shop projects without slowing down. With pilot arc capability, a large LED display, an advanced air sensor, and both 2T and 4T modes, this cutter is built for precision and long continuous cutting sessions. If you're dealing with thick steel, multiple projects, or long production work, this machine gives you professional-grade performance without the professional-grade price tag. No matter which cutter you choose, each of these models brings exceptional value, strong durability, and dependable performance. Upgrading your plasma cutter might be one of the best decisions you make for your workshop this year. Don't forget to check out the links below to grab the latest deals and discounts for every product mentioned. Thanks for watching, and happy cutting!